welcome to our channel. It's My Life Philippines. It's Friday afternoon. We're here in SM Clark with Leon and Leta. We're gonna meet with Georgie and one of our subscriber, and we're going to play in bowling. So hi.
Hi. Shaira,
Huh?
you can use jacket because cold already here.
So
Shaira, not cold for you? Not? Hi.
Kamusta?
Musta. Where Musta? Maybe not easy now. Take a look, so many people.
Yes.
Need to go to early morning or maybe Monday. So you want it right now?
yes.
Shawarma?
I don't know. Maybe I will drink coffee or
Okay. What is this? Have I already finished work maybe? Scared? Not easy to walk. Good exercise, Georgi. You can take this as uniform and go to Astra Park. It's good exercise for you, I know. Shaira's cat. Georgi don't want this uniform.
it's better
Yeah.
so that we have big muscle.
Okay. Shaira want it, and we go to food court. Shaira eat shawarma. What is shawarma? What?
Shawarma.
Okay, let's go. What's your size?
Second to the last.
I will take.
Second to the last lane, lane 11.
Eleven, Shaira?
Yes, it's 11 lane.
Okay, Shaira, your size?
Yes, it's just only little bit.
Big?
No, it's not big.
Small? Georgi, start. It's not heavy for you, Shaira. Can try
I don't know.
all the same.
No, it's the smallest one. Hey.
Here. I don't know because I don't know. It's my first time. I don't know.
Just in the center. Georgi, help to her. Help to her. She don't know. She first time.
It's heavy for you.
It's
You
okay,
take like
she-
this? Yes. Take small. Hey,
Small already.
you can put the finger, yes?
Wait, wait.
Okay, sorry. I'm so sorry.
Long time no play. Long time no play.
Shara, prepare. Beta today. Beta now.
Yes, but usually I play better.
Finish play already. Phone.
It's better use this one than the other one.
But where your shoes? Ah, already wait. Shaira, do you like bowling? Play bowling?
Yes, I like.
You want
Love
come
it.
back? Play
Yes.
again?
Yes.
So we're going to walking street, take video for our subscribers.
But I want if I could come back to race this bowling, better with you.
With me? Now you're not with me.
Yes, of course. I'm with your friends also.
Okay.